Hello, I just want to make a quick video on the Firestick and how to reboot it if you're having troubles. We're going to go through a couple different things. The Firestick keeps freezing or it's behaving erratically. Sometimes it just kind of glitches out, it goes slow, the remote's not working. We're going to do apps not working, how to reset those. The remote is not working. I'm going to show you how to fix your remote if your remote's not working. Okay, this is just going to be a really quick video, so I'm just going to jump into it and show you here. Basically, you're gonna take the remote and press the pause play button and the home button at the same time. Okay, basically you're just gonna hit the pause play button and the select button at the same time, holding both down for about 5 to 10 seconds until your Firestick restarts. Okay, and then you should see your Firestick powering off, and then it's just going to restart. It's basically just rebooting. So give me a like if you like these really short, sweet videos. Okay, if you're having troubles with your apps freezing up, I'm going to show you how to fix your apps not working. So if your apps aren't working, you basically go up to the top, hit up, and then go over to settings, and then hit the select button, and then go down and over to, you want to go over to the applications, hit select on applications, and then you're going to go down to manage installed applications. Okay, and then you're going to select your application you're having issues with. If it's Netflix, then scroll down to Netflix or whichever one, and then you go force stop. You can stop it. So first you want to force stop the application and then clear the cache. Okay, and then just give it a moment, and then you can relaunch the application. So I'll show you again. You force stop, then clear the cache, and then launch the application. Okay, here's another tip for everybody. If you're having troubles with the applications not loading, everything's going slow. When you're in the applications, if you look over to the right, you can see how much space you have left. Like for instance, I don't have very much space. Out of 5.79 gigs, I only have a little less than a gig, 644 megabytes. So it's almost full. Once your devices get full, everything's going to start running poorly and crashing. So you might want to delete some of your old apps that you're not using anymore. Okay, and then restart. And this is something nobody else will show you. Okay, go all the way over to the My Fire TV, and you can basically restart from here. So this is in the settings. Okay, if your remote's not working, basically you can just take out one of the batteries to restart it. You just slide the back cover off, and you can pop out one of these batteries to break the connection and restart it. Okay, I'll leave some links down below in the description for a replacement Firestick, new remotes, and different devices for you. Alright, thanks for watching.